this one. Oh, sorry. Make sure you cap all of the stickers. No wipe top coat. This will help charm chains stay in one place. Maybe I shouldn't put anything else. Should I put anything else? All right, that's it, everyone. Because if I am going, I'm gonna dress it all up. I don't want to ruin everything. So, okay, cute. Just leave it alone like that. And one right there. And this one right there. That's one of beads. Just 2 beads. That's all it gets. All right. I'm gonna key it and I'm gonna shape this one a little bit. Here, this one for 60 seconds. All right. Move on to the next one. Be careful. Just make sure that it's not running, please. Straight all the way. All right, so our next beautiful nails with Gucci nails right here. This thick density of condensed glue gels will hold down to like stickers, charm chains, crystals. And I'm gonna do a no wipe top coat. All right, should we put the beads on? I have this option. This cute beads, and then there another retro bead too, but I think I used that one already. Or like tiny little beads. So which one do you want? We can do this bead, that, this. I don't know. So it might be too much. It's never be too much though. But you tell me. I can do anything. A little Gucci. Alright, so I want to do this super cute Gucci right there. And see if I have a bars.
Oh, we have a minute left.
All right, I'm gonna have about minutes left, and I will be right back. Hold on. So I'm gonna put some dragon scale right here, but I will see everyone's right back.
We'll be right back, ladies.
Just for the Instagram, because we can't go longer than an hour. So we are continue to add it on, just like maybe one dragon scale down here. It looks so like sassy nails. I'm going to clear this one for 60 seconds. Hello everyone, welcome back to our live tutorial part 2. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hi Cece. Hey Marilyn. I just have a beads right here, but we did this. The other ones we put the logo on it, super freaking cute. However, you can alternate changing your beads from the logo to the beads. Either way you pick, it's gonna look so cute. So I can't wait to see your beautiful creations. And here we put logos on it, and I did some dragon scale. The newest dragon scale is freaking stunning. So we're not using precision glue to really double secures all this. Usually, as I said, I usually really afraid of to do crystal placement or any others like really fun enhancements with crystal placement, or like add on any crystal, because I'm afraid it's not gonna stay. So I'm really nervous. Now I don't even worry about it anymore. So this is a second look for this nails. This is really like how do I say, sassy nails. I feel like we're in like Paris right now. All right. As you see that I have one of the logo right here on my nails. We're going to the next one. And I am gonna take the beads away. You know, but if you can see, if you put your beads right here, it looks stunning. Or you can put your beads right here instead of the logo. It's either way, I think it's super cute. Or if the clients want a smaller, you can put tiny little like beads, the baby beads here. Looks cute as well. So either way, it's gonna look super cute. So move on to the next